Let's play a guessing game. Look around and shout it out. What's that shape? Oh, what's that shape? Can you see? Look around and guess with me. Is it round or does it bend? Does it have a pointy end? What's that shape? Say it loud. You just guessed it. Be so proud. Oh! Circle, circle, round and wide. No sharp corners, smooth all sides. Like a ball or big round plate. Circle shape is really great. Square has four sides all the same. Like a box or picture frame. Corners sharp and sides so straight. Square is such a perfect shape. Ostrich say, hare's feet. Look around and just with me. If you love what to defend, every how I for the action. Say it loud. Just past Big Neil. The sky. Triangle has three straight lines. Three small corners, sharp and fine. Like a slice of cheesy pie. Triangle points to the sky. Rectangle, it's big or small. Two sides short and two sides tall. Like a door or books we read. It's a helpful shape indeed. Push, push, tendency. You go wrong, let go sparkly. There's a logo, does it then? Does it now? One for the answer. Say it loud. Just choice gets me mad. So star is shining in the night. Five nice points that glow so bright. Up above it twinkles far. Yes, you found the shape. A star, a shape to show we care. Love and hugs are always there. Curvy top and point below. Heart's the way I'm feeling sure. Won't scotche, Hennessy. Look around, we cast it me. Is you wrong, hot as a thing? Every habit for you, yeah. Won't scotche, doesn't love. I just praise faith, be so cross. Oval shaped like eggs, you see. Long and round so gracefully. Not a circle, not a square. Ovals floating in the air.